How to remove WhatsApp account from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove WhatsApp account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your WhatsApp account from other devices, it's very simple. All you have to do is open up WhatsApp. Let's say your WhatsApp account is also logged into some other devices and you want to log out. Just tap the three dots option from the top right and go to linked devices. Over here you'll be able to see a list of all the devices that are currently linked to your WhatsApp account. So over here you can see in my case one window is selected. I can just tap on it. I can just tap the logout option and then I'll get successfully logged out of this. Similarly, now you can repeat the process for all the other devices, and if you want you can also link a new device. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then remove your WhatsApp account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.